Everybody, finally got to try some honeycomb. You girls ready?
Yeah.
Are y'all ready?
Okay, y'all, calm down.
My God. Cut it. Cut it.
I'm gonna cut this.
And for the girl. Ooh, so sticky. It looks good. It looks good too.
Wow.
Cut it into squares. Got it.
So, now let's cut. Who wants to do the honors and be first? Ready? Go. What do you think?
It's good?
Chew it. Tell me what you think. What it tastes like. Tell me what it tastes like. Strawberry. Everything is like strawberry to you.
Okay.
Who wants to be next?
Me. God.
My turn.
Yeah.
Honey.